Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. So now if you try to see our code here, if I refresh this page, so you will be able to see all the nodes. So the nodes all are getting displayed here. But the problem here is, for example, if I refresh this page, here it is taking some time to get the data from the Firestore database, and we are showing an empty blank screen here until the nodes get loaded. So it will be better for us if you show a progress bar or any loading symbol for this one. For example, let's say that if you are having here set timeout, I am writing here set timeout, and in this one if you try to write the set timeout here, and I am using this nodes data, and I will be copying this one and I will paste here, and I am using here 2000. For example, let's say that it is taking something around 2000. And now if you go into this one here, and if I refresh this page, so it will take some time, around 2 seconds, and here after some time it is loading. So this will happen, for example, when the Firestore database is temporarily slow for some reason, or otherwise, for example, let's say if the user who is using this NotesList or anything, maybe his internet is very slow. So due to this some of the reasons, so you may be getting the nodes little bit of late, and for that reason we will be showing this blank screen which the user feels annoyed. So for this reason we will be showing this progress bar. For this showing this progress bar, we have a method, or otherwise in Bulma we have a progress bar. So if you go to the documentation, and here if you click on the elements, you will be able to see the progress bars here. And if I click on this progress bars, if I zoom over, and here if you try to see, here we are having some progress bars here, right? So I will try to use the last progress bar, and I am copying this progress bar. Let's go and paste it in our nodes view. So this is the place where we will be showing the single note and all those things. And for that reason, so I will paste it here, the progress bar, and I will remove this all the code, and there is no need for us for this what I can say, the 60% and all those things, and I can close this one. So this is our progress bar, and if you try to see the output, so this is saving, and if you try to see the output in our white app, still it is not coming. Yeah, here we are able to see a progress bar, but this progress bar should be shown only when the nodes are not loaded. So if the nodes is loaded, means automatically this should be closed, this should be hidden, or otherwise this should be removed. Now what I want to do for this reason, so here when the nodes are not loaded, then only we will show. When the nodes are loaded, means then we will be showing this nodes loop, single node. For this reason, what I can do is, let's go to the node store, and here I will be adding constant nodes loaded, and this is ref of false. For the time being it will be false, and this nodes loaded should be here. I will be exposing this one, and we got the node store. So here I can show the condition that here we are having the node store, right? This is the variable we are having, and for this progress bar I can show something like v-if node store dot nodes loaded, and this should be not. So when this one is false, when the nodes is not loaded, then only we need to show. Now if you try to see here, so we are showing here this one, right? Now what I want to do, when the nodes is loaded, then I need to show the single node. So that means here we can use the v-if, but here we are having v-for and v-if for the same directive, for the same element, right? For that one, what I can do is I can use a template, okay, template, and I will paste it at the bottom, and you can have a template here also, and for this template I will add v-if else. So if the nodes is not loaded, means then you can use it, or otherwise v-if else. Now if you try to see the output, see we are showing the progress bar, but we are not showing the nodes. Now where we need to make it true, let's go to the node store, and here in this node store where I need to make it true, here is, this is our node store, right? Nodes loaded, and in our get nodes, so for the first time you will make it as whenever you are trying to get it, the nodes data. So what I want to do, so get nodes we are trying to do it, right? And here let's remove this one out. Okay, and I will be removing this one, and I will remove this one also. Yeah, so for the first time I will do nodes loaded dot value is equal to false. So here the nodes loaded is not there, and now here I will try to make, after getting the nodes loaded dot value is equal to true, right? So now if you try to see the output, let's refresh this page, and we are able to get it. See here, now if I try to refresh this page, so we are able to see that progress bar, and after some time we are able to get the nodes data. So this is how we can add the progress bar. So fine, right? And now for example, let's say that, and we will try to implement another scenario also. I am deleting all the nodes. So when I delete all the nodes, if nodes are not there, means we need to show some message to the user that no nodes here yet. So like this we need to show it. So for that reason, what I can do here, let's go to the nodes view again, and here I will be showing one div no nodes added here yet. So I will show it like this. Okay, let's see how good this one will show. So yeah, here we are able to show it. Now what I want to do, I want to make it as a center. Okay, let's try to make it as a center. Has hyphen text hyphen centered. Let's see here. Yeah, and I will move little bit of UI hyphen 6. Let's see. Yes, and let's make it as a little bit big. No, is hyphen size hyphen 4. And if you see the output, yes, and we'll try to make it has hyphen text hyphen gray hyphen light. I am trying to make it as gray color. Now if you see the output here, let's refresh this page. Has hyphen no nodes added here, right? Now here no nodes. Yeah, has hyphen text hyphen gray hyphen light. So it should be like this or what? I didn't remember exactly. Let's go to the single node. So we are having this one, right? Has hyphen text hyphen gray hyphen light. Yeah, we'll copy this one and we will try to paste it here. Let's see how it will look like. So has hyphen text hyphen gray hyphen light. So I have saved this one. So here we are able to see, so whether it is in the gray color or not. Yeah, now it has been converted gray color. Now if you want to convert this one font and all those things also, you can do it. So these are all matters. Is hyphen family hyphen mono space. Okay, I can add the font also. Now if you try to see here, we are able to see this one. Now this is how we can show. So now here we are able to see no nodes added here, right? Now here this one, when we need to show, so we need to show some thing, right? So here when vi hyphen if not nodes dot length. Okay, so when the nodes are not there, then we will be showing this one. Now if you try to see here, so I will be refreshing this page, no nodes added. So if I try to add some nodes here, automatically this will be removed. See, if you want to write nodes loaded also, that one also condition also you can keep it. So delete and delete and delete. See, we are able to see here no nodes added here. So that's this is how we will be showing the message here. And also you can also show this nodes loaded also. After the nodes loaded also, you can keep the condition and the progress bar. So I will be committing this one in a new branch, video hyphen 101. Okay, and let's commit this one, add progress bar, right? Progress bar. Now let's publish this branch. Whoever may be having a doubts and all those things, so they can go to my GitHub repository URL. So the link is provided in the description below of this video. So whoever may be having doubts and all those things, they can go to this code and they can refer to this code for a particular branch. So whichever video you are seeing, for every video you will be having a branch. To that particular branch you can go and visit this one. Hope you understood about this progress bar. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.